My name is Charlie.
I'm Henry.
And my name is Anthony, and we designed this new and smart GA traffic intersection light you see before you. This intersection design features a programmable logic controller, which controls the pattern of the lights and simulates a real traffic intersection with a strong and aesthetically pleasing design.
The PLC is wired to the lights at the top of the design. The PLC was programmed using the application CX Programmer 1, an application that has several commands and instructions that can control which outputs come on and how long they come on for. For our program, we wired the green and red lights to be on for 10 seconds, yellow and red for 4 seconds, and red for 2 seconds.
The design is done to model what a real intersection might look like. The metal frame is supplied by Airline Hydraulics, and the assembly, which holds the lights, is created using multiple pieces of plexiglass which were fitted to the metal frame and brackets.
This GA light intersection is a culmination of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and PLC programming to show the endless possibilities that can be created. We are proud to put our stamp on this flashy and impressive design. Thank you.